We do have a slight risk for some severe weather tonight. We have a tornado watch kind of all along this area with, depending on when you're watching, this is currently 6:40. We see kind of this system moving along this way, and Macon, Missouri has snuck into kind of the tornado watch area, so that's something to keep an eye on. But other than that, for the rest of the forecasted area, we will be kind of seeing those isolated thunderstorms. Nothing super severe. Again, that main system tracking is going to be to the north, dropping down into the mid to upper 60s for the most part, and then we're going to be warming our way back up into the mid 80s, and those winds are blowing at 10 to 15 miles per hour from the southwest with those gusts at about 20, so definitely getting a lot of warm air. Let's take a look at this future track. Again, those isolated storms for the most part staying up to the north part of Missouri, so not affecting really the majority of our forecasted area, but again, we could see some spotty showers and storms here and there. Working our way into Sunday morning, we do have some more potential for some thunderstorms really spread throughout the day, mostly going to be in the afternoon. Seems like as of right now we are tracking to kind of sneak our way out of it, but we could still see those isolated storms with the possibility of maybe some of them being severe. But again, those are really tracking outside of our forecasted area. But it's a pretty similar setup to what we've seen today. Now, the main thing that we are going to be tracking relatively closely is going to be the system that we are seeing on Monday. Now, we see this cold front start to move into the area and really bring a strong line of strong thunderstorms, and it is going to be a pretty favorable setup to see anything that could possibly be severe. So make sure to keep a close watch on that as we get into Monday, because it is going to be a rather favorable setup to see anything that could bring us, the potential for some thunderstorms. Here's kind of the severe risk for Monday put out by the SPC. You can see really all of central Missouri put in that higher risk area. Now, this is a 2 out of 5 as of right now. And then on the other side of things, this is 3 days out still from today. So we are still going to be getting some more time to get a bit more accurate representation of what this system could look like on Monday. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, staying in the 80s really all across the board, so make sure to find a way to cool off and stay hydrated, because it is going to be rather warm and feel humid. Even though the dew point could be a little bit lower, it's still going to feel pretty humid overall. And then again, throughout the rest of the week is going to be a pretty active setup, plenty of chances for thunderstorms along the way.